Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Shopkins Nice and Icy Fridge from Chef Club collection. And look who we got on the right side. It's JESSICAKE from Chef Club. On the right side, we're also gonna be opening 5 packs of Shopkins. Alright, let's start opening it up. Nice and Icy Fridge. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I love the color combination of white, gray in the handle, and blue at the lining at the bottom. Oh, look at this pantry. Glittery. Oh, you would love this one. Oh, so pretty. Oopsie. And it comes with a recipe book. Let's take a closer look who's in the picture. We have Pinky Frosting. That's right there, Pinky Frosting. And Chalk Frost. Sarah Sweethearts. And Strawberry Jam. On the right side, at the Hotspot Kitchen, you can see the picture of Chocolate Cake Jake and Valentina Vanilla Cake. I love both cake, chocolate and vanilla. Super cute because it's clear at the bottom. And here's Chalk Frost, also clear at the bottom. Wow, they look perfect together. Let's put them back at the top. Oh, look at this one. It's so cute. Oops. We got ice cube tray. It's light blue. And here we have the tiny ice cubes. How cool is that? Each ice cubes has face. That is super cute. I think this one is my favorite. They're all happy faces, which is good. This fridge has 2 drawers at the bottom. And the pantry. Super cute pantry. Alright, what are we waiting for? We need to open the Chef Club JESSICAKE. And she comes with Shopkins too. That is awesome. Let's take out the card first. Pretty card. Look at that at the back. You can download the Shopkins app, and second, you have to enter the code below to claim your rewards. That is cool. Here is the adorable JESSICAKE. A light blue hairbrush. 2 Shopkins. Here are the 2 Shopkins that comes with JESSICAKE. We have Cherry Nice Cupcake. Ooh, super cute color, pink, and she's smiling here. Oh, look at that pink bow. Ooh, yummy looking Cherry Nice Cupcake. And here we also have the cupcake petal. Also has a beautiful color, light blue, pink lining, and look at that pink flowers on top. Super adorable. We can put them together. Look at that hair, super pretty. Light blue. I love that headband. That's a yummy looking headband. Very pretty JESSICAKE. I love that belt. Oh, and her skirt too. It's sparkly red. Did I say belt? This is not belt. This is apron and you can remove it. That is cool. It's Cupcake. Wow, you can remove the shoes too. Time to open our 5-pack Shopkins, also from Chef Club collection. It also comes with a recipe book. This time it is green. Oh wow! So we got two now, blue and green. Let's take out this Shopkins Chef Club. We got the sweet corn. Lovely, lovely color. Yellow, of course, it's corn. And the can is silver. We have Timmy tomato. Timmy tomato bottle is red, and at the front you can see 3 tomatoes, and the lid is yellow. Here we got the yummy looking toasty worm. Oh, love the toast. My favorite in the mornings. And this one is the pretty Miss Sprinkles. And these 3 Shopkins should be in the pantry. Timmy tomato, sweet corn, and Miss Sprinkles. Let's check how much Shopkins can we fit in one shelf. 3 Shopkins. That is cool. So right now we're only putting 1 Shopkins in each shelf. There's 1 space at the bottom that would be for our mystery Shopkins. Who do you think this is? Surprise, surprise. Oh, we got a cake. It's a carrot cake. But carrot cake should not be in the pantry, so let's put her on top beside toasty worm. That's all for now, guys, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please click the like button if you like this video and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my friend's channel, Kids of Ninja and Toys Academy. They also have nice videos and adventures and so many others. It's on the right side of the channels. It says awesome channels. Please subscribe all of them. This is It's Playtime 612 Family Toys Review. Have a good one.